friends, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel R Triple C. So friends, we have talked about number of topics. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is partners capital account. Now, calculating the partners capital account, the capital balances, whether it is debit balance or the credit balance, is very important for any partner. There are certain reasons behind it. The main reason is that every partner have contributed their amounts in cash. Because they have contributed their amount in cash, so they have full right either in cash or other than cash. So what are those factors other than cash? It is stock. It may be stock, it may be goods. Since every partner have contributed their amount of money either in cash or other than cash, so they have full right to know what are the credit balances or they have the debit balances under the partners capital account in any partnership firm. Now, partners capital account can be calculated in two ways, two methods. So one is fixed method, the second is fluctuating method. There is a difference between fixed method and fluctuating method. In case of fixed method, what do? We again prepare two accounts. One is capital account and we prepare the current account. In case of fluctuating method, we only prepare the capital account. So let me share with you the first one, which is fixed method. So what do you mean by this fixed method? The fixed method means the method in which the capital of partners does not change, or it do not change with the change in every transaction. That is, with every increase or decrease in the credit or debit balance of the partner, the fixed capital account does not change. Then how does this fixed capital account changes? The fixed capital account changes only with the change in either the capital, that is additional capital introduced, or the withdrawn of capital, that is the additional capital withdrawn from the company. We also call it drawings from capital. So here's a format for the fixed method. First one is capital account. So we assume there are two partners. So particulars, partner number A, partner number B, in rupees. The amount is expressed in rupees. Particulars, this is the credit side. For partner A in rupees and for partner B in rupees. Right? So in case of partners capital account, the first entry that we pass is by balance brought down. So we directly write the capital amounts into on the credit side. After this, what do is we write any additional capital introduced. So by cash or by bank, additional capital introduced. So there is every possibility that any of the partners or both the partners during the year may withdraw, may add in some amount of capital. Now, we also put the debit sides. So debit side to cash or to bank account. Now, why have we written this cash or bank account on the debit side? We have already written it on the credit side. The basic purpose is the credit side shows the additional capital introduced. The debit side shows the capital withdrawn during the year. So simply means the drawings of capital, right? Then it is to balance carried down. So if there are any withdrawals, there is every possibility that one of the partner may withdraw the capital or both the partners withdraw the capital. So either case, we have to write the figures, right? So after totaling this, if we find that drawings are less, then we get the balance carried down. So I can also say that this is total. So total of A and total of B minus the drawings. So it will be A minus D, if I write it this way. So these are the drawings that I have to subtract. So B minus D, that is drawings. So I put this as D, right? This is fixed capital account. Now, is this the only account that we make in partners capital account? No. Then which is the other account that we make? We do make a current account. Why is current account maintained? This account is maintained when partners adopt the fixed capital method. One. Second, this account, current account, may show a debit or credit balance. What does this account show? This account, the current account, shows the adjustment of interest on capital. It shows adjustment of drawings. Drawings कौन सी? Drawings against capital comes in the fixed capital account. So drawings against profits. So profits कुछ withdraw किया है. Then salary, commission paid to the partner, or any expense which a partner need to pay. So that appears on the current side, right? So here it is. So current account, this is particulars. Again, A in rupees, B in rupees. Particulars, A in rupees, B in rupees, right? So how do we start up with? We start up with the balance brought down. Which balance will appear here? Because the capital account the balance of capital account of the partners have already appeared. So will appear which account will appear here? It is the current account balance of all the partners that will appear here. So A and B, right? Then any income which has received by the partner. So what do we write? We write interest on capital, by salary received, by commission received, by any reserves received. So maybe by all the partners or by any one of the partners. We total this. So again the same. So it will be total of A, total of B, and we subtract here. So for example, there is every possibility any partner may have a debit current account. So suppose in this case A may have a debit current account, so it will appear here. So again last to balance carried down, यहाँ पे भी आएगा फिर balance carried down. किसका आएगा? A का. Why? Because A का brought down यहाँ है तो A का carried down यहाँ आएगा. So even otherwise B का यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So in this case let us assume that दोनों का current account is on the credit side. So this will make this understand easy. So for the purposes of understand, in my next video I will certainly explain about this as well. So total किया minus this, यहाँ पे आ जाता है two drawings. Drawings कौन सी? Drawings against profit. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा drawings against profit. So this is the total. So we subtract this and we get this total. So matching concept. So हमें match करना है. So here the amount of drawings, whosoever partner, there is every possibility that there might be none of the partners may withdraw the capital, may made the drawings, or there is every possibility that only one of the partners have made the drawings. So the partner who has made the drawings will be subtracted from here, right? So one of these partners will be subtracted. This is drawings against profit. Now next, this was about fixed capital account. Next is fluctuating capital account. Now what will happen in fluctuating capital account? Fluctuating capital account is a mixture of both these accounts. That means anything withdrawn, even if it is excuse me. So even if it is, so it is fluctuating capital account. So even if it is a capital balance or it may be some other balance, it has to appear on the in the capital account only. So we only construct one account. That this means all the adjustments whether related to the capital or current, all will appear here, right? So in this case we only make one account, we do not make two accounts. So we again assume that there are two partners only, A and B, right? As we did in the previous question. This is particulars account. Okay. So we start off with by balance brought down. So ये capital balance है, it will appear on both the sides. Again by balance brought down, ये current का balance है if it is given separately, right? Then by interest on capital, जिस भी partner को मिला है, by commission, This is given to any of the partners by salary. If it is given to A, by what else? What else appears? By cash or bank. This is additional capital introduced. Right? So it is a mixture of both the accounts that we prepared separately in case of fixed capital account. So like this. What will appear here? Two drawings. Drawings against profits or against capital. Both the drawings appear here. Second, to balance carried down. Balance carried down of capital or of current. So दोनों का balance carried down. So the method of balance carried down remains the same. What is that method? The method is again the matching concept. Total of A minus B, minus A on the debit side. So it will be balance total of B on the credit side minus the debit side. So it will be the balance carried down for B on the debit side. Now there is an important thing to understand here, that all the income of the partner, I'm categorically saying about the income. So all the income of the partner, even if income is from interest on capital, commission or salary, it will appear on the credit side. So this is a common rule. Any expense of the partner, that is the amount of money which the partner has to pay, it will appear on the debit side. So income on the credit side, the expense on the debit side. So this is a basic difference for preparing a capital account. Similar thing happened in fixed capital account. Fixed capital account में जो current account हम बनाते हैं, all incomes on the credit side, all expenses on the debit side. So in this case, all income on the debit side, all income on the credit side and all expenses on the debit side. This is one. Point number two. How do we make a journal entry? Guys, in my previous videos, I've already shared that the making of journal entry through an account, the process of making a journal entry through an account. Debit what is on the credit side. So I'm trying to make a compound entry. So how do we write is interest on capital account debit, commission account debit, salary account debit to drawings account to capital account. Okay, let me make a separate entry for you. So it is all the items on the credit side, it will be all the items on the credit side and to capital account. So students, what will be the journal entries be? So there will be a compound journal entry that I am going to make. So it will be interest on capital account debit, commission account debit, salary account debit to partners capital account and the narration, right? This will be the entry for the credit side. Now how are we going to make the entry for the debit side? For the debit side, we have to write partners capital account debit to drawings account, and there will be the narration for the debit side, right? So this is the entry that we are going to make. So guys, this is the complete about partners capital account, the fixed capital account and the fluctuating capital account. I am once again reiterating that in case of a fixed capital account, we make two accounts, the capital account and the current account. In case of fluctuating, we only make one account. What was the purpose for making two accounts in case of partners fixed capital account? Because in case of fixed capital method, the fixed capital method states that capitals remain fixed for any expense or any income that a partner makes, right? So now it remains fixed means that we only have to add either add of capital or we have to subtract the drawings of capital. Rest everything appears in the partner's current account in case of fixed method. Second is the fluctuating method. In case of fluctuating method, everything appears in the same capital account. So on the credit side, by balance brought down, we start up with, this is balance brought down for the capital. There is every possibility that आपको current account का भी balance अलग से दिया हो. So to buy interest on capital, buy commission, buy salary, buy cash and bank, two drawings. You know, two drawings is equally important against profits or against capital, and to balance carried down, right? So this is basically about partners fluctuating capital account. The previous was fixed capital account. This is a journal entry. The journal entry, what will be the journal entry in this case? A compound journal entry I have made. It will be interest on capital account debit, commission account debit, salary account debit to partners capital account. For the debit side, it will be partners capital account to drawings. So this is a way to make a journal entry, right? Now important here is to understand the difference. I believe this is clear to all of you, right? So I'm erasing it. Now we have to understand about the difference between partners capital account and, so here it is capital account and it will be current account here, right? So these are the point of difference between current account and capital account. Now, what is current account and what is capital account? We have just understood it. Capital account may we prepare capital account in case of fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. यानी कि दोनों methods में हम capital account बनाते हैं. Do we make both the accounts in case of current account as well? Both the methods? No, we only use current account with fixed method. We do not use it with the fluctuating method. Next, capital account remains. So what happens in this case? In this case, the capital account remains invested with capital. So we record, so here we record only capital. So we record drawings, we record about interest on capital, we do record about the salary, right? This is the basic difference between the capital account and the current account. Now next important difference that we need to see is or look at is the fixed capital and the difference between fluctuating capital. So both are the methods for preparing the fixed capital account or fluctuating capital account. I want to start with one very important difference. It is we prepare fixed capital account when capital account and current account both are mentioned. If nothing is mentioned, we have to prepare this account. In this, we prepare two separate accounts. So, fluctuating mein, we prepare only one account. Increase, or we can say income to partners will be shown in current account. Right, beta? Income, current account will be shown in credit side of current account. Income to partner will be shown on credit side of partners capital account. Only expenses not of capital, यानी कि which are not related to capital will be debited to current account. All expenses of partners. All expenses of partner means whether capital related or not will be shown on debit side of capital account. So बेटा ये difference है बच्चों between the fixed capital account and the fluctuating capital account, right? So this is all about interest on capital. Goodbye, all the best, take care, stay safe.